Today we're going to start our new topic. Yesterday you have read chapter number 1 and in this chapter we are going to discuss what are the food sources and today we will going to start our new topic related to what are the food varieties which we eat in our day-to-day life. But before I jump to the new topic, I would like to discuss a few things to students. You have to go through the chapter first, as whatever the things which is written in the book, you have to read it twice and see the video proper, so you can understand proper what are the things which is going to discuss into the book. So students, let's start our new things, that what are the food varieties which we eat in our day-to-day life. But before I read chapter, I would like to explain you what are the food that which is going to be termed as variety which we eat in our day-to-day life. As I have written down some of the food varieties which we eat in day-to-day life. What are the food varieties? Which is like rice, dal, fish, chicken, dosa and fruits. Now these are categorized on the basis of our food habits, which we are belonging to which state, what are the our main things which is going to be eat. So these are the simple methods which through we can segregate our food varieties. It will be depend upon state also, our food habits also, and it will be depend upon our upbringing also, which is we actually come from. Now that actually benefit for our health, that most important part is that. So without wasting time, we will read our activity 1.1 which is given here into the book. So I would like to explain you what is written in the activity. Restaurant visit. Now materials required: a record book and the pen, and visit a restaurant with your parents. Normally we did in our days, because nowadays we are not going in restaurants because they are prohibited. But in earlier days we have go through the restaurants and we know that the different kinds of varieties they will giving to us, and we actually taken care according to our wish what we are required. These are the food varieties which is written into the restaurant menu card also, that they said you take as a record book or a pen, visit a restaurant with your parents, look at the menu which is you are served with, and you will find there a number of food items. Now list the food items and your record book according to your likes and dislikes. Now they said you can fill this table according to your wish. Whatever you think which is you going to be like, and whatever you dislike, that you can actually fill this table according to your likings. Now this activity is the easy activity based upon what we are actually liking in the food habit and what we are not liking. Now they said food varieties. This is the main topic of this chapter, that what are the food varieties which we go through. Observe the following pictures, that the picture shows the different types of food that we eat. Now I would like to show you the pictures which is giving that pictures also, the different pictures which is given that as food varieties in our book also. Now they said we eat different types of food at the different times and the different days. This is called the variety of food. That is a definition of variety of food. The different types of food and the different times which is called as in different days, that is called variety of food. The people eat different types of food based upon the taste, habit, lifestyle and availability. For example, some people like eat two items as chapati, bread, and the other hand, some people like eat that will be idli, dosa, biryani and etc. Now some people like eat fish, chicken, eggs also. Now I earlier when I am going to start this session, I will actually tell you that what are the food varieties we eat in day-to-day life. It will be based upon the states also, it will be based upon our habits also. Now we are talking about the food ingredients. Now ingredients are what? If I am going to make a vegetable in my home, then what are the requirements as ingredients I need? Like I need tomato, I need some spices also, I need some kind of vegetables also which I wanted to cook. These are the simple ingredients which I wanted to put inside my vegetable, so it will be made it as one vegetable. The food which we eat is made up of different substances For examples, cooked as dal, which is made of pulses, salt, spices and water, which I discussed also. All these constituent substance which is make up dish are called ingredients. That is the simple things which we going to be understand by ingredients, that whatever we cook in our day-to-day life, that needs some certain amount of ingredients. If I am going to cook dal, which is written in book also, then I need first of all the spices also and water also, and most important thing, dal, whichever I wanted to eat, that will also require. So students, today's my topic is that which is related to that food varieties and what are the ingredients. So next session we will talk another